Good morning, students. Our next assignment is assignment number 4. And in this assignment, we have done on articles. Articles a, and the. I have already told you a and an is used before a singular noun, and the is used when we are talking about a particular thing or thing which is one in the whole world, unique in the whole world. So I have given you a written text where I have explained you what is article. First, the indefinite article a is placed before singular nouns that begin with a consonant sound. We have done vowel sounds and consonant sounds before, and we have discussed how if it is a vowel sound you use an, and if it is consonant sound you use a. A flower, a book, a pencil, a house. These are consonant sounds. Again, some letter may start with a vowel, but it has consonant sound, like a 1 rupee coin. 1, O-N-E, but it is pronounced, means we have a vowel sound. Wa. A useful thing. U is a vowel, but it has U sound. Y-U sound. A university, same thing. The indefinite article an is placed before singular noun that begins with a vowel sound, like an actor, an elf, an H. Here also you observe spelling is H-O-U-R, but we pronounce it as a. So H is silent. So we say an apple, an honest, same thing. Honest, we don't say honest, we say honest. H is silent. So an honest person, an orange, an umbrella, an ostrich, an aeroplane, an ice cream, an enemy, an iron rod. Please read the list of words again and again. Now then it is followed by an assignment or an exercise, and that exercise is here before you. Fill in the blanks with a and an. Raju ate an apple, an orange, and a banana. Now apple vowel, orange vowel, but banana consonant. So these are all vowel sounds and banana is consonant sound. I met her an hour ago. So you see H is silent. So we pronounce as a. So it is an hour ago. Ago means before. We saw an ostrich in the zoo. He lost an eye in an accident. All these are vowel sounds. Eye and accident. Fifth sentence. I had an ice cream cone yesterday. Sixth sentence, we must buy an umbrella and a raincoat. Now raincoat is consonant sound, so it is a. We must buy an umbrella and a raincoat before the monsoon season. I hope you are all using umbrellas nowadays. Number 7 sentence is, he is an honest. Same thing like a. H is silent, so it is honest, an honest man. Now 8th sentence, children see the useful word, though it starts with U. U is a vowel, but the pronunciation is not a. U has a sound, but it is U, means Y-U. So that's why a useful. Cow is a useful animal. Number 9 sentence, I am proud to be an Indian. Indian is a vowel, I is vowel, and the last sentence is, I saw an aeroplane from my balcony. Again, A is a vowel, so it is an.